Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix a Steam login error code E87 on your Windows PC. If you are also facing a Steam login error code in your PC, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here from the left side choose system settings. Thereafter go to right side and look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters. And here you will have to execute two troubleshoot. First, network and internet troubleshoot. Click on run and follow on screen instruction. And the another one is program compatibility troubleshoot. Run both the troubleshoot in your system. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. Thereafter, check whether your Steam login error resolved or not. If not, check server status globally. Open your browser and here type in the search field steamstat.us. Press enter and it will show you a Steam server status all around the world. Go to your region and check in your region Steam is running or down. If your Steam server in your region is down, then wait for some time to take it up again. The next workaround is launch run dialog box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type ncpa.cpl. It will open all your available networks in your system. Here right click on your network connection and choose properties. Here select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4 and choose properties. In this window, make the check against option use the following DNS server address and use Google DNS server address, and the Google DNS server address is 888 and 8844 and press OK and check whether your Steam login error E87 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is run a Steam as administrator mode. Right click on your desktop shortcut Steam app and here choose properties. Properties window will Steam properties window will open. Here go to compatibility option, again top menu bar, and make the check against option run this program in compatibility mode for, and also make the check against option run this program as an administrator. So run a Steam app as administrator mode to fix this issue. And if your problem is exists still, then the next workaround is open control panel in your system. Here look for Windows Defender Firewall, click on it. From the left side of menu, allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall, click on it. Here allow apps to communicate through Windows Defender Firewall, look for a Steam app. Here you will find two Steam related features, a Steam Web Helper and Steam. Make sure that under public network and private network both options should be checked. For a Steam and a Steam Web Helper. And after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, the last option is reinstall a Steam app. To first uninstall a Steam app, to do so, open control panel and here look for program and features, click on it. Program and feature in control panel open. Here select a Steam and choose uninstall. And install a Steam app, a fresh version of a Steam app in your system. Install it. That's all.